Are you getting this? Yeah, she's getting it.
You can have a quick tune-up now while I'm introducing it.
Oh, we can have a quick tune-up.
Dickie, I'm doing...
Everyone stop talking. Everyone stop talking. We're doing the thing. We're doing the thing now, everyone. Here she comes.
Hello.
Hello, GB. Nice of you to join us. Nice of you to join us. Bring the camera down to me now. We're starting. Hello, croeso. Welcome to Outside My House, Christmas special. Joining me today, we've got Martin Joyce. I call him Martin Joyce because he's Joyce the Librarian, is his alter ego, and that's how we know who he is. My other friend Martin's called Martin Head because he's one of the heads. You know, if you didn't take acid in the 90s, you won't know what that means. And over here, we've got Alex Dingley and married Lenny. Suki Delek, she's forgotten to bring her art to go art in the background today. So we've got art in the background from international artist Mel Fung. And Gruff Rhys' daughter Mably's making her art debut with, what is it, Andy? Abstract impressionism.
Expressionism.
Yes, I can't say that. And over this side is Gruff Rhys. What a lovely Christmas present to you guys. This is more like a televisual Christmas card to Wales, the world and you. So, we start off now. Did you want Gareth to accompany you? Martin's going to go first. He's bricking it because he hasn't tuned up, but you know. Gareth, do you want to come in by here or...?
What's easiest?
It's up to you. I know you haven't heard this before. You literally just arrived. So feel free to just sort of play along in any fashion.
He's been on one show already, so don't point the camera to Gareth too much, because people will think I haven't got many friends.
It's got a very nice hat, though. I think it's worth seeing.
What are you going to play for me this morning, Martin? You've just come back from a tour of Italy, haven't you?
I have, yeah. It's called Knots, and it will be out one day or something.
Oh, you're going to love this. When I first saw Martin playing, he reminded me of Mike Lee if Mike Lee had started a band. You'll know what that is now when you hear him play.
Depressing me.
So beautiful. No, it's beautiful, Martin. That's why we dragged him across the bridge from Bristol. Now you go for it.
Okay. Oh, it's in F, I think.
F, great. It's a good start.
Watch that bow now.
Yeah.
Snug in the arms of a crushing calm, studying for no legs to go on. These knots won't hold enough for long. Beaten ground. Closing us down. No legs to go on. These knots won't hold enough for long. These knots won't hold enough for long. Cello solo. Pull off the book, chat and jar. What if he hook, easy to grab. These knots won't hold enough for long. These knots won't hold enough for long.
sort of changes now.
I'm really moved by that. GB, I don't know how you've managed to get in on it. You only came back from India like 10 hours ago, but you're making Dickie jealous now. Martin, I have got you a little present.
Oh, thank
it's
you
under
very
here, and I noticed when you brought your own milk earlier, you were a vegan. I've just bought these fabulous vegan lip glosses, only yesterday. One of these is for Ewan Stanley. He doesn't know this yet, but he will know it, because on Christmas morning when he sees this. Do you like tangerine or spearmint and vanilla?
I think spearmint and
That's the one I was going to give to Ewan, but go on, you can have it, because I'll get another one.
Thank you
I'll
very
keep the
much.
tangerine
Thank you.
for me. There we go, that was beautiful, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Can we bring Griff in now, please? Has he done a runner?
Yeah, do you want, yeah.
Mae'n gyfle i dron
Drone, okay, yeah, yeah.
Falle.
Drone's
Mae'n
always
cwpl o
good.
newidiadau ar cychwyn.
Griff, what are you going to play for us today?
Song called Hammer and Sickle.
Oh, lovely. Have you been practicing it now this morning?
Probably not enough.
It's a very professional show, you
And I've
see,
just
so I don't
invited-
want you, you know, fucking it up. Sorry, Christmas swearing, I'm not sorry really, it's my show. Right, okay, let's go.
Just invited Gareth to play along.
GB is everywhere, isn't he? He is really. He really is Great Britain.
We haven't
He's
tried
all
it.
over the place.
Sloping,
But it's just saying, wow. It's an opportunity to drawn at the end, you know?
All right, okay, cool.
Maybe an opportunity to drawn at the end, Andy. Fancy opportunity to drawn at the end. Maybe. To drawn.
Yeah, okay.
But, you know.
Do you know what droning is?
Yeah, yeah. I'm familiar with
I don't care about kingdoms and castles. I don't care about pieces of gold. All I know is that I'm in the middle. There's a winner, a loser, and a middleman. A hammer, a sickle, and a sickle man. Got the deal and the keys to the city. Got the movie rights for your life. All I know is that I'm still in trouble. There's a winner, a loser, and a middleman. A hammer, a sickle, and a sickle man. Once in a lifetime, the poison comes in a potion. Once in a lifetime, the traps get stuck in the sand. Seems like we're always staring up situations that we never ever seem to come out. There's a winner, a loser, and a middleman. A reader, a writer, and a middleman. There's a winner, a loser, and a middleman. A hammer, a sickle, and a sickle man.
Griff, I can't thank you enough for for being outside my house. I took the liberty of sending Andy to Asda's for a Christmas present for you this morning. Don't you lot get excited, you're not famous enough, I'm going for you. I've got this for you, Griff.
Amazing.
It's a flexible torch. It extends like a couple of metres, and if you drop your keys down the drain, you can search for it with a torch, and then it's got a magnet. You can lift up 1 kilo of metal with it on the end.
Griff, I think you can test it out now, but when you keys down the drain. Can I try it out?
Yeah, well, I was going to throw my keys down the drain to show you, but I couldn't find a drain.
Keys down the drain part.
You have a little pot with it while we put on the next person, which is my husband. Now, it's really hard for Andy because he's outside his house as well. But we can't change the name of the programme now to outside our house. It's technically outside my house. But he's going to do a symbiont song now for us, which is his musical offshoot from his artistic endeavours. Don't you just hate it when people are good at more than one thing?
Do you know?
Are we on him now?
Just do the first bit again. Yeah, got it, yeah.
Okay. 3, 4.
there. One of them is small, soft treats. I've just read off his lyric cheat sheet. You got any lyrics like that, Griff? No. Small, soft treats. Oh, just poetry, isn't it? Right, who have we got next now? So I seem to find most of our guests are running off down the street. Alex Dingley, I mean you. And that beautiful companion of yours. Tell her in her own time. Now then, come and sit by me, or do you want to sit in the chairs? What are you going to sing for me, you two? I don't know what you're going to do. It's a surprise. Yes. And me and Mary don't like surprises normally.
I heard you found out what it was.
No? Who told you that?
Your husband.
He didn't tell me what. Oh, I did guess that. Is that actually true?
Oh well,
well, just go for it and find out.
Basically, we put this song together for you 3 months ago for your wedding.
And yeah, sorry I couldn't be there, everyone.
Now we actually get to do it for you.
People say the food was nice.
So yeah, where's Andy? We need Andy for this. He's got to fully appreciate
Could Martin Joyce alert Andy that there's about to be a song sung for him? Can you come and listen to the song and do some facial expressions to the camera?
A bit of warning, there's a little bit of...
Do you think I'd be crying?
Audience participation.
Okay, cool. Yes. We can all join in because it's the end. This is playing us out, by the way. So this is the last song for today.
It's called an audience loop.
An audience loop?
Yeah.
Okay.
So when we ask you to sing along, just go for it.
Oh, we totally will.
And you get your tissues ready.
Oh, Griff's trying to extend his new talk.
Your tissues ready. Griff's lost his keys already.
It's just in time now. He's got the extendable talk.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, shit, Griff, that's a really bad Christmas present. It's a really bad thing to give somebody and not give them the batteries, isn't it? Okay, we're going to go now, and then we'll come back to us to say Happy Christmas to everyone.
So they say we're young and we don't know. We won't find out until we grow.
Well, I don't know if all that's true, 'cause you got me, and baby, I got you.
Babe, I got you, babe. I got you, babe. I got you, babe. So they say our love won't pay the rent before it's earned, our money's all been spent.
Well, I guess those who don't have a part, at least I'm sure of all the things we have.
Babe, I got you, babe. I got you, babe. I got you, babe.
I got flowers in the spring. I got you to wear my ring.
And when I'm sad, you're a clown. And if I get scared, you're always around. Well, let them say that your hair's too long, 'cause I don't care. With you I can't go wrong.
So put your little hand in mine. There ain't no hill or mountain we can climb.
Babe, I got you, babe. I got you, babe. I got you, babe.
Right then, this is the part we need.
We're all going to join in now. Dickie, don't look so worried. You don't normally sing a song that's not yours. Go to a gig that's not yours.
We're gonna do a bit of la la lines, and then I want you to keep it going when we go into the section afterwards.
Yeah.
So we go. La 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 la
I've got you, babe. I got you, babe. I got you, babe. I got you, babe. I've got you, babe.
I'll cry after.
Cry now, cry now.
Happy Christmas, everyone! Woo! Yay! Nadolig Lawen! It's a wrap, kids. Woo!
Let's get the after show party going.
Oh, I got
I'm in the middle, there's a winner.